Hi guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to configure the busy lamp fields or flexible buttons or DSS keys, however you want to call it, on the Panasonic systems. So you'll need installer level access to the Panasonic system or admin level access with the right permissions. Once you're eventually in, on the left hand side you go to extensions, wired extensions and flexible button, so 414. One thing you should do before you go any further is confirm your extension number. So on an idle handset you press the transfer button and the extension number will show up on that screen. So this extension is 2222. So it just so happens that I'm on the right extension. So if I go on the left hand side and select DSS, so DSS is also the BLF keys for extensions. If you configure a valid extension number, then you will be able to see if it's busy or not. And as you change the DSS buttons, you will be able to see the change happen on the handsets as well. Now this is an NT553 handset. Not all the handsets have a screen on their buttons on the side as well. So if I go to another extension just to refresh the screen and then go back to 2222, you'll see that under the extension name column, it's automatically filled out with whatever you've configured under extension settings, memory block 411. So now I'm going to go ahead and configure an extra DSS button. So the DSS keys, remember, are BLF keys for internal extensions. You can configure as many internal extensions as you have. So if you have a 24 button handset, then you can configure 24 buttons as DSS keys if you wish. So if I call my direct line, you'll notice that my DSS key that says Jose R will start flashing red. So with the busy lamp fields on the handsets, you can tell when the handset's busy, and you can also tell if they're receiving a direct call. You can also pick up their call on their behalf if you know they're not at their desk by pressing that flashing red key. Now back over to the system programming. You can also program what's called a OneTouch key. So under these keys you can program any string you want, so someone's telephone number or even a system code like I have on button 13. So over on the label name column you can label it as whatever you want. This is only relevant if you have a screen like the NT553 on the DSS keys. If you do not have a screen on the DSS keys, then this column's irrelevant for you. So once you're done, hit apply or OK. And if that's all you want to do, just hit exit up the top or log out. Just remember to log out, guys, don't leave the system logged in. If you got any value out of this video, just smash that like button, really helps me out. Alright guys, don't forget to check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, I'll see you later.